Namaste. Good morning, children. Yes, welcome to yoga class. Today I will take super yoga asanas. You know that super yoga asana, 5 asana, standing, bending, supine, proning position. All the asanas you can every day we can practice for the one full week morning or evening session should be good effective of your body, re-energize your body and your brain and physically and mentally should be relax your body. Okay, yes, yes, before yoga start you can little warm up and do yogasana. Okay, I will start directly. You children, you can start before yoga start, you can warm up and practice. Okay, yes, ready. Super yogasana, first one, standing asanas. Yes, standing bending, standing back bend asana. Okay, anuchita asana, first one. Tadasana sthiti, both the feet together and stand straight. Deep inhale, both the hands rise. Yes, above the head, join the hands. Exhale and bend back. Upper body should be bent. Both the knees should be straight. And 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deep inhale. Exhale. Yes. Relax. Yes. Standing back bend asana athva anuchita asana. This one is good effective of your body. Yes, wonderful heart opening pose and improve your respiratory system also improve and shoulders strength and arms back muscles should be strengthened for the your body. This is good asanas, anuchita asana. Okay, next one, ekapada sanchalanasana athva ashwa sanchalanasana. Yes, stand on tadasana, both the feet together join, stand straight, deep inhale and your right leg should be back. Yes, stretch your left leg should be bend knee and 90-degree stretch. Inhale. Yes, balance your body. Inhale and exhale and turn your upper body should be turned left side and join a hand and yes, anuchita. Yes, and your right leg, don't bend your knees, stand on the toes, raise your heels and turn your neck and upper body should be turned left side. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, slowly come back to position. Inhale and exhale. Yes, same as it is. Left leg, deep inhale. Yes, left leg should be straight. Raise your heel and stand on toes. Right leg knee bent 90-degree. Yes, inhale. Exhale and bend. Right side upper body should be bent and namaskara and turn your neck and upper body should be turned and left leg knee straight and yes, 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale. Yes. Yes. This one Ekapada Sanchalanasana अथवा Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Is improve your balance and stability, strengthen for the muscles and chest, open up your chest and lungs should be improve, your capacity, lungs capacity should be improved. Okay, this is good. Back, your back muscles also strengthen, is good asanas. Okay, then next one, we are going to sitting asana, Vajrasana. You can sit on Vajrasana. Yes. Bend your, stand on your knees and toes should be bent. Your, yes, toes bent. Yes. Deep inhale and exhale and sit. Yes. Both the knees should be joined and your this one, yes, yeah. Deep inhale, your buttock should be touch your heel. Inhale, exhale, and your slowly your shoulders and hands should be turned back and join the hands behind the back and sit straight. Okay. Yes. 10 counts behind back. Namaskara. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. Coming back to position. Inhale and exhale. Yes. Vajrasana variation. Yes. Vajrasana sthiti is good, effective of help keep in your mind column and your body, relax your knees and back muscles also relax and stretching for the your shoulders muscles should be back side, very good effective of your shoulders and your wrist also. You can turn your wrist, effective of your wrist muscles. Okay, this is Vajrasana sthiti. Next, after fourth one, Ashtanga Namaskara Asana. Slowly turn your mat towards your right side. Just slowly get up. Ashtanga Namaskara. Ashtanga means 8 part you are touching the ground or your mat. Okay. Deep inhale. Slowly lie down. And toes and knees should be touch the mat and come forward. Exhale and bend. Yes. Your hands and your chest and chin should be touched. Ashtanga. Don't touch your stomach part. Yes, only chin, chest, hands and knee and toes should be touch the mat. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Look forward. Yes. Look forward. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. Yes. Ashtanga Namaskara Asana is good, effective of your body. 8 part. Your body 8 part should be touch the mat or floor. This is the good effective of your body. Your chin and chest and hands, knee and toes should be touch the mat. This is good effective of your body. Strengthen for the your lower back muscles and back muscles and relax your neck and balance your lower back part. Okay, balance your body, lower back part. This is good, effective of effective asanas. Next, one more, Sarvangasana. Yes, this is the fifth one, Sarvangasana. Slowly lie down for the mat, Sarvangasana. Yes, slowly lie down and deep breathe in and breathe out. Yes, relax your mind. Yes, slowly bend your knee. Yes, and raise your leg and hold on your supporting for the your hand. Yes, Sarvangasana, and lower part body should be straight. Yes, Sarvangasana, and supporting for the both the hands behind the back. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. Yes. Sarvangasana is very good, effective of your body. Improve your digestive system and abdominal organs should be improved. Strengthen further your back muscles and shoulders and neck should be strengthened and neck flexibility and your body should be re-energized. Sarvangasana. Blood circulation should be improved. Okay, next one, pranayama. Slowly. Yes, pranayama. Padmasana sthiti. Yes. Any mudra. I sit in chin mudra. Yes. Deep inhale and exhale. Relax your mind. Today pranayama, Bhramari pranayama. You know that Bhramari pranayama? Yes. Deep inhale and exhale for the nose. In exhale movement, you can B sound. Makara. You can should be Makara and exhale for the Makara solutions. Yes. Already? We'll start. Yes. Close your thumb. Finger should be here. Should be closed. Completely close your ear. And remaining 4 fingers should be close your eyes. Deep inhale. Exhale. Complete breathe out. Okay. Once again. Yes, slowly relax. You are practicing 10 times. You can practice Bhramari pranayama. This Bhramari pranayama is good, effective of your mind and body should be relaxed. Your and re-energize your body and mind and body should be relaxation and improve your improve your memory power and all the benefit for the Bhramari pranayama and relax your body. Okay, thank you children. This super yoga you can daily morning or evening should be practiced and good effective of your body. Yes, okay, thank you.
धन्यवाद.